Hello everyone, taking hair from one side and then we're gonna start making a braid at first, then grabbing some more hair and making another braid like this. After it is ready, we are going to take all of the hair from that side and making a final braid and folding it into half. Next, we're going to take all of the hair and then dividing them into two braids at first, one at each side and then making three more. Then taking the sides one, converting them into two braids by using colorful rubber bands and joining them all together into our ponies at the sides, and it's ready. Next, we're gonna start by taking two ponies, one at each side, then grabbing hair from one side and start making a ponytail by using three rubber bands and then further converting them into braid. Doing the same step with the other side and making buns at the last. Next, we're going to take the hair and then converting them into 5 ponies. Then we're going to grab all of them, dividing them into two parts, wrapping them with the rubber bands, then joining them together like this with a beautiful pattern and making a final ponytail at the last and converting it into a bun like this. After that, it's done. Next, we're going to start by grabbing hair from one side, and then we're going to make a ponytail, then taking some more hair and keep on adding the rubber bands and then taking this braid and folding this out into a bun, doing the same step with the other side as well. Next, we're going to take the hair and then we are going to make a ponytail at the top at first, then making at the sides as well, then converting them into braids, joining them together like this and now into two ponies, and it is ready.